There is something about the water, which we call vibe here in Hawaii, that makes me feel free. Free from the daily challenges originating from what the world has become. And at the same time, vibe rejuvenates me, gives me the mental and physical strength to take on whatever comes in my path. Like a king I rise from the water.
Never reminded, never taking whatever you told me. I know what I could be. Making emotion paintable inside. Tell me, is this what you made me?
What's up, guys? Alright, so we are out and about with Mr. Romeo. Romeo, say hi. Look. Say hi.
Yes.
Yes. So yeah, we got the Timo board in the back. Got some snorkel gear in the back. We're still deciding where to hit the beach at. I was thinking Baby Beach or good old Liggate Beach as always. So you know what? We'll probably just hit Liggate Beach and you know, get some footage of those fishies, those big fish. Hopefully those big fishies made their way into the swimming area again. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Erica's on her way there now. She's totally stoked because today she's waiting for her new iPhone to arrive. It was supposed to arrive yesterday, but I don't know. UPS sent me an email and said that they had some sort of mechanical problem. I don't know what that means, but whatever. Oh, the plane didn't make it. But I got a new email this morning and they said it's coming in today. So let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, guys, check it out. Sleeping giant. Right what? Over there. The sleeping giant. That's a sleeping giant, Romeo.
Yes.
Yeah. Maybe I'll whoa, sorry about that. Maybe I'll hike it today, this afternoon, after Jess does her hairdo. Let's see. Maybe we can catch like you know, like a sunset or something. Alright. Peace. Interview.
Ah, we're stuck in traffic. No.
Huh? What's going on here, guys?
No. We're stuck in traffic.
Interview, Eliza. Tell us. Tell the crew what's going on.
We're stuck in traffic. We're stuck on the way to the gate. What the? We have just to go to a place to swim. Come here, bud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Alright, guys. Check it out, guys. Look at the traffic.
Maybe because there's lots of people that talk.
So we're gonna do the usual cheat route over here, guys.
Yeah, we just
Go behind the coconut marketplace.
we just go around in circles. We just go around.
There we
That's
go.
how we do it. Right?
And of course, there'll probably be a big lion on the other side too. Right, guys?
Cut it! We're just gonna cut it in a little bit.
Yeah. There's the beautiful Kauai Courtyard Marriott. Sorry. Courtyard Marriott. Yeah, they have Mai Tais from 11 to 3, I think, or 3:30. There it is. Courtyard Marriott, guys. So yeah. And look at it. They're building over here, guys.
Wow, what are they building?
Yeah, what are they building over here? It's probably more condos. What do you guys think? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably more condos. Look at
I only
that.
see grass.
More oceanfront condos galore. What?
We're just playing.
Oh. Alright. Badonk-a-donk. Badonk-a-donk.
We're just gonna pass all the people that don't know the secret shortcut. Yeah. They're gonna be like, what?
I don't know about that. Watch, there's probably gonna be a big line over here too.
Yeah, we're just cutting it. Yeah, just cutting this.
Badonk-a-donk, guys, again. Ooh. Nice flowers. Beautiful day today, guys. Look at that. And this is the Kauai Coast Resort. Right over there. Right over here on the right side is Plantation Holly. Right over here. Yeah, Plantation Holly. My friend is the GM over there. Hey, the line's not too bad, guys. There's a sleeping giant again over there.
So many gaps.
Hmm? What gaps?
So many gaps.
What gaps?
Over there. On the other side. On the right.
Oh.
I wrote it!
Alright, guys. What's today, guys? What's today? Thursday.
Yeah.
And looks like the Coconut Marketplace has a farmer's market going off.
Look at it!
Right over there, guys. I think our neighbor's there selling her delicious
Bread.
breads over there, yeah. Breads or bread? I don't know. Her delicious breads. Breads?
Breads. Does she still give
Oh,
us?
okay.
Bread is just one.
Oh, okay.
But Dad, do we have to buy from her or does she give it to us free?
We have to buy. That's her business. I wouldn't take it, I don't know, for free.
Tastes good.
Maybe once in a great while, yeah, but you
We
know,
barely taste her bread.
I don't know, I gotta go buy. I gotta go buy before I go to the Philippines, guys. What do you guys think?
Yeah. You have lots of Oh, playtime! Lay down.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Look for Ate's car.
Is that in there?
Yeah.
Look how much trash there is. Oh, do you look
I
on the left
know.
or look on the right? Remember we wanted one of those? Oh yeah, I remember that. But we went on the number 1. San Diego? Yeah, we went on the number 1. Remember that San Diego? Yeah.
San Diego?
We went on the number 1, not number 2.
Oh, okay. Alright.
That was down from San Diego though. I know, but
Yay! It's not too many people. I know, I don't know what she wants.
oh, go. What a nice one. Yellow, brown, kind of gray. Remember the baby one? Baby chicken.
Can you grab my snorkel then? It's in the back of the truck. Okay. Good job. Alright guys, we are done here at Lake Gate. Like Ethan said, we're gonna head over to the parlor and see what Jess is up to. Let's go see what color she's gonna make her hair.
Color?
Yeah. What is that?
Can I comb my
You
hair?
got Mr. Rooster there. No. Okay,